Wow. I was gonna go explore Boston this morning and I completely slept in. My flight leaves the airport in 2 hours and 15 minutes. What a fun day yesterday. Seriously, I'm still smiling on the inside about yesterday. It was so much fun. I enjoyed it so much. I wish I could stay in Boston and watch their next game because that would be absolutely amazing. But unfortunately, we are heading back today. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Let's get to the airport.
Have a good one.
Now, as I said, I would have loved to stay in Boston for longer. It was an amazing city that I would love to explore more. But someone is meeting me in Winnipeg today, so I need to get back. Yo!
Yo!
What's up?
What's up? Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while. For you people that somehow do not know, this is Christian, aka Sneaker Talk,
Yo.
aka sneaker vlogger from Toronto, aka, I don't know, what else do people call you?
The half Filipino, half Canadian, Jollibee, KFC, McDonald's, vanilla iced coffee addict.
That guy. Christian is in town for the next three and a half.
3.5
days because we are doing some work with the Canadian Premier League. I love soccer. I'm a huge fan of it. It's like my second favorite sport, barely behind basketball. And Winnipeg is getting its professional soccer team, first ever professional soccer team in Winnipeg next spring. And they're doing open tryouts for them.
Are you trying out?
I'm not trying out.
Why not?
Dude, you don't even want to see me play. So we're gonna head down to the arena right now. Go check it out. I'm seriously so excited about this. Getting a professional soccer team in Canada, even if it's not like top tier Europe level, is still gonna be awesome, and I'm super excited to be a part of it. I also forgot to mention they're doing the tryouts in our massive 35,000 person stadium. This is actually gonna be like a legit soccer league, like the football league. I'm sorry, football league. They also picked like the freaking hottest day that we have had in the last month and a half to do this, which is perfect. It's like almost 20 degrees Celsius. I definitely do not need this jacket. It was freaking snowing last week. This is amazing. We also got these really fancy media passes, so I feel super official right now. I thought this was Gatorade, just water. A little bit disappointing. Are breaking for lunch right now. Christian, I hope you know I'm one of the greatest talents this world has ever seen. Some compare me to Messi, some compare me to Ronaldo. Who's Wayne Rooney? I will not go that far.
Who's comparing you to them, though?
My dad. Can't even freaking juggle the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That might honestly be a personal best. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4 is definitely the highest I'm getting.
Whoa! Whoa!
Did you see how freaking talented I am?
Told you I was talented. Ah.
Christian, do you want to try and get to the top of the stadium?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. No idea if we're actually allowed to be in here, Christian, so if we get in trouble, I'm 100%.
It says no suite access.
Oh, it says no access?
No, we're good.
100 level access.
Good.
No, it goes up.
Let's go.
If we get in trouble, it's your fault, is what I'm trying to say. That sucks. That was fun, huh?
Yeah, pretty fun.
Honestly, a lot more intense and like high level than I thought it would be. I think they're doing the final cuts tomorrow, which we're probably gonna go check out as well. I'm excited for this. Like I'm a big soccer fan. We don't have soccer in Winnipeg like you guys do with TFC. So having a team in the city is gonna be really, really fun. Overall, it looks really, really cool. Canadian Premier League, I'm excited for you. The tryouts look cool, and I assume the season's gonna be even cooler. So that was actually really fun. I had a great time at that Premier League event. As I said, we stopped the Nike outlet on our way home. Now, I'm not allowed to film in there. They are on me like a hawk as soon as I walk in there. If I walked in there with a camera, they would just be staring at me the entire time. But thankfully, Christian, they don't know who he is, so he was fine. He got a whole bunch of footage actually, and if you guys want to go check out the video that he made, it's going to be up on his second channel. I'm going to leave a link down in the description to Sneaker Talk 365. And there was some really nice shoes at the outlet. There was the Bojacks, which were sick. I love these things. Really need to grab myself a pair, but they did not have my size. There was the Last Shot 14s and a bunch of other Jordans as well. And then these crazy nice white and pink Mercurials. I wanted to buy them so bad. They were $270 minus 30% plus tax. So I think they worked out to like $200 after tax, which is probably worth it, but still really, really expensive, and I wasn't trying to spend that amount of money today. But we did get 2 pairs of shoes. One is one for me, and one is one that Christian picked up, and also got some swag from Valor FC. They hooked it up with the snapback, which I'll be giving to my buddy Matt, because he's very excited about the team, and I do not wear hats. And they gave me this very nice, like, dry fit feeling material hoodie with the logo for the Winnipeg team. Dude, we could start a trend with just snapbacks resting on top. This is a look. This is a look from now on. So the first pair of shoes is the one that Christian picked up. Now I definitely think he got probably the better deal. Like, his were significantly cheaper. He paid 126 Canadian, which is like, I don't know, $195 US for these bad boys. The Air Max 98 in these crazy like gray snakeskin and suede. These are awesome. It's completely grayscale, just all the different shades of gray. Okay, I look like an idiot. I need to take this off. White, gray, black, gray, white, 3M. Everything you could want in a pair of shoes. I know he's gonna be doing a full review of these, so if you guys want to check that out, once again, go check out Sneaker Talk. But these are, wow, I'm thoroughly impressed with how these look. I'm sure they're very comfortable because it's a full-length Air Max. I do not think I have ever owned any Air Max 98s. I've owned 97s, I've owned Air Max Deluxe, which are both extremely similar to the 98. The 97s have the exact same bottom, if I am not mistaken. So it should be a very similar feel when you have it on foot, and I think it's going to be a very comfortable pair of shoes, and they look freaking awesome for $100. I do not think you can go wrong for $100 on this pair of shoes. Oh my freaking goodness, best deal of all time. Okay, maybe not the best deal of all time, but like a good deal. Definitely not the best deal of all time, but a good deal. Now I want to get over to the one that I'm really excited about, mainly because I actually bought this pair of shoes. Like, these are nice, but they're not mine. Christian's taking them back to Toronto. I don't really care about them. These, on the other hand, are freaking awesome. I bought these. I got them literally 50% off below retail. They retail for $310 or $320. Paid $166 after tax. So that's like 125 probably American dollars. So even in the States, this is a great deal. It is a pair of Foamposites. I know tons of you guys hate on Foamposites, but I love me some pink sneakers, and I could not pass up these. I believe these are called the Elemental Rose, and for the price, I just couldn't say no. These are crazy. It's a very muted rose color. Like, it's something you'd find on your grandma's jewelry. Like, your grandma definitely has a bracelet that is this color, or has a necklace that is this color. Like, this is just a grandma old lady type of jewelry color. That is what this is. But on a shoe, I think these look dope. It's super metallic. Like, the metallic sheen on this is some of the shiniest I've seen on a pair of foams ever. I love pink. We know this. I really like pink shoes. I've gone over it 1,012 times. I do not need to do it again. But you guys know what a Foamposite is. There's the big Foamposite upper, the crazy wavy designs, the black nubuck, black tongue, black laces, the black on the back with that 1 cent logo, and then the icy blue bottom with the black traction. These things are clean. And for the price, like, seriously, over half price off. Just a really, really good deal. This is the first thing that I saw. They only had about 10 pairs of them there. They had them at a big shelf right at the front of where the footwear was. Yeah, those are the 2 pairs of shoes we picked up from the Nike outlet. Once again, shout out to the Canadian Premier League. Okay, we do need to get going now though, because we are actually doing some more sport-related activities this evening. This morning it was all about soccer and watching the tryouts. Tonight we're actually watching a real game, except we're switching it up. We're gonna go check out some hockey. I'm gonna be incredibly honest with you and with you. I know nothing about hockey. We have a guy on the Jets, Line A, he's pretty good. I've somehow procured ringside tickets to today's game. I figured we go, I mean, you don't really want to pass up ringside tickets. I feel like that's a bad thing to do, especially when they're free. Christian didn't even know the Jets played in the NHL. He was like, oh, you guys have a hockey team? And he thought it was in the AHL. So I'm like one step ahead of him. I know what league we play in. But besides that, oh, we also have this really big guy. His name's Bufflin. He's good, I think. Maybe, possibly, hopefully. I don't know. It should be fun. Was so much fun. I'm not a huge hockey fan, but sitting there and the Jets won and it was awesome, and second time in a week that I ended up on national television just because I was sitting in the right place at the right time. Christian, I'm on a hot streak. I need to start going on national TV more often. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been an amazing day. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. We have done so many things: soccer, Nike, hockey. I mean, I guess we've done 3 things. Still an amazing day. I love you guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow.